Hey guys, today we're going to build a super secret base, right? And zombie DJ's Christmas thingamajiggies are here with I'm Tom's sister, and I'm replacing Tom because he's just playing for me. I'm not that good. But we're going to make a secret base. Yeah, we're going to make a secret base. So, we're going to put some sticky pistons and some stone there. And, yeah, so that's the start for the secret base build. The sticky pistons and the stone. Now we need some stone slabs. And to cover up the sticky pistons. Now we need some redstone and a button. Redstone, put it there. And okay, there's a chicken there. Chicken, get out here. And a stone button to turn it on so that you can get in. But I think we need another one on top. Because we're 2 blocks. We're 2 blocks tall. So don't do what I did. Okay. So we're going to just try again. Okay, that's good. Now we'll need a repeater.
Redstone competitor. Repeater, yes. Repeater.
We need a repeater, a redstone repeater, and turn it on. Hopefully you can turn it on. Put that redstone there and put that redstone there. So let's see what happens. Great! That's the door of the secret base. But remember guys, I think we need a pressure plate. So if somebody gets in. So we need a stone pressure plate to get in. And so if anyone gets in, we'll just have to do that, you know. So yeah. We'll just have to put stone there, and there, and there. And so stone everywhere so you can cover the base. So nobody can get in. I mean, nobody. Hey, I think there's something outside there. Wait, what's outside? I think it's a creeper. I think it's a creeper. No, that's just, no, it's not. False alarm, guys. False alarm. So, we need to get and dig a hole. We need a hole. So, Tom, can you explain the upper bits? Please?
So, the other bits is, well, not really anything. We just need the redstone here, the redstone here, the repeater here, the redstone going here, connecting to the button down here. The pressure plate down here, and then that should be it. That's about it. And so I'm going to put an animal here so that it holds the pressure plate down, so that so it stays. And then that's about it. That's nearly the end of the video. Let's put
So that's the door. Now we're gonna do the decorations.
And put a pig there.
So put a pig or any animal there. Or you could just do
that slab there. And then the door's closed.
Okay, so how do you get in?
Oh, you just destroy the slab and kill the pig. And let the pig get off.
But what happens if you want to
some. Oh, if we still want it closed, we can go like this. So we're gonna have this still here like that, with the pig on it. And then,
But what happens if you want to open it?
yeah, that's when this comes in. We have this here, and we connect it to a repeater that is over here.
Okay.
And then there's redstone dust there and there,
Okay, that's cool.
like that.
You guys can't wait to see inside. It's gonna be so
I mean, we need redstone there. We need to put redstone going down there, and then we need to like put redstone there, and then put redstone there, so we can get in. So when we're in here, we can put a pressure plate here and get off the pressure plate. So just pretend there's no pig here. So we can get on there.
Because there is no pig there.
There is.
There is? Oh, come on, dear.
So if we get this pig off, we can close it from the inside. Like this. So now
Ooh, yummy pork.
we put the pressure plate there to get in from the outside. Then we put the pressure plate here to get in from the inside.
Okay, that's not working. So, okay, that's good. But now we need. So that's how you make a door to the secret base.
Ah, that's why. Because there's no redstone there. That's it.
So, this is going to be it for the video. Come and join us next time when we build the inside. Okay? Bye, guys. Say bye, Tom.
Bye.